This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to an email address in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to an email address in Word, it's very easy to do if you want to make the shape a clickable link. First thing you want to do, I have a document here, I have a shape on it. You want to select the shape. If your shape has text on it like mine does, you want to make sure that you don't select the text. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over the border of the shape until it becomes crosshairs. I'm going to left click on the shape. I have the shape selected now. I have the bounding box around the shape. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, and click on the Insert tab. Now on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down the ribbon to where you see it says Link, and click on Link. Then you want to go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to the very bottom to where it says Email Address and click on Email Address. Then in the email address box here, you want to type or paste in the email address that you want to link this to. Now as you can see, Word automatically added mail2: in front of my email address. That has to be there. Word will automatically add it in there, mail2:. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on OK. Now when I place my mouse cursor over that shape, you can see that little box comes up. It tells you it's a hyperlink and it tells you what it's hyperlinked to. If you want to test it, hold down the Control key and left click on it. And as you can see, it opened up my email app and it already has that email address that I had put in it right there. It's already made out, ready to go. That is how to hyperlink a shape to an email address in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.